Today we're gonna unbox the GoPro 9. Case. The GoPro. Charger. This is a thing for if you want to do head cams. And put that on. This charger. And the features to this thing is, oh yeah, and you've also got the GoPro app, like full GoPros. It can survive voice control, waterproof, super HDR, touchscreen, webcam mode, data overlays, 220 MP, and
cool. How big is it? Oh, it's pretty heavy.
Decent.
It's got a charger. Where do we charge this in? Plug it in to charge it. That's good. Do you want to subscribe to GoPro? QRs and stuff. And so, what else? It was $6.99 New Zealand dollars. That was good. Ooh.
Oh, this thing can go here. Smart, right?
Okay, and they gave me a free SD card. I don't know what type of size it takes. Is it micro SD or...
Then you can just take it out though. This thing out.
Cool, that's enough. Let's put everything back. What do you think? Any final comments?
It's good.